Unlocking financial clarity for everyone is now easier than ever as we explore using Peachtree Quantum 2010 with screen readers like JAWS. First, ensure JAWS is running before launching Peachtree. Navigate to the company menu using Alt then C, press Enter to open. Use the down arrow key to locate Open Company and press Enter. A dialog box will appear. In the Open Company dialog box, use the Tab key to move between fields like the file path and company name. JAWS will announce each field. To manage your accounts, go to the Maintain menu by pressing Alt then M. Use the arrow keys to select Chart of Accounts and press Enter. In the Chart of Accounts window, use the Tab key to navigate to the New button. JAWS will announce New button. Press Enter to create a new account. When entering transactions, carefully listen to JAWS as you tab through fields like Date, Account, and amount. Double-check the information being read. To generate reports, go to the Reports menu using Alt then R. Select the report you wish to load and customize your report using the available filters. Tabbing through them as needed. JAWS will read each element. By using these steps, visually impaired users can effectively navigate Peachtree Quantum 2010 with the help of JAWS, making financial management accessible to all.